Don't put him down when you see him around. Don't say he never loved me like he should. Don't say my name and make him hang his head in shame, 'cause he loved me the very best he could. Don't call him out when you see him in a crowd. He's broken and all misunderstood, and the demons he faced, well, they cannot be erased. So he loved me the very best he could. This world gave him lots of nothing, so you see how he might long for something good. And push it away. Push it away. Push it away. Push it away. He push it away. Well, if you had seen him cry,